Dun dun dun.
We coming
Dun
for
dun dun
you.
dun.
Oh yeah.
Dun, dun,
Here we
dun,
go.
dun.
Oh
Dun,
snap.
dun, dun.
Blah 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 blah. Da, 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 da.
My last made me feel like I would never try again. But when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything.
What
Is
going
on YouTube. First of all, I want to say sorry. Second of all,
Sorry for what?
look at my hair.
Anywho, this is Rocky. He is 4 years old. Say hi, Rocky. Oh, look at my little baby. But yeah.
So, the reason why we haven't posted is because she was working on my off days, or at school at my off days. And when she was at school, I was off. So it was like,
It was hard
yeah, time.
to find time. But now we can find time because of this quarantine. Alrighty. Let's get started. Come on. So, what are we up to today?
Well, we can have a little fight. Nerf gun, not Nerf gun. What are these?
I don't even know. We got
Zero guns.
we got these at Family Dollar for $3.75, and it came with how many of them? 16. These were
8.
really cheap. Well, 8 in each, but plus the bullets together, it was 16. They had some $6 one, and they were actually Nerf guns, but they only had like 4 bullets with it. So I just thought these were better and cheaper.
So fun little date, you know, if y'all are bored at home, nothing to do, go to Family Dollar.
Get yourself one of
$3.75.
these bad boys.
Wash out too. We're coming in hot.
Explain to them what we are doing today.
We can have a little Nerf gun fight, zero gun fight.
Wait, when is it over? When we run out of
I
bullets?
don't even know what's the rules.
What are the rules?
Let's go. First person to 5 deaths.
What?
First person to 5 deaths.
Okay.
That's loses. You die if you get shot twice.
What?
You die if you get shot twice.
So that's 2 deaths? Oh wait, that's 1 death. There needs to be 5 deaths. And then
So if you get shot twice, you're dead. That's 1 death.
that's 1 death. Okay.
Yes.
Makes more sense.
Yep. This is our base. This is our obstacle course. This is our fighting zone. Yeah. She thinks she's all special or something.
Hell yeah.
To me. So, what side do you want to start on? That side? Or that side?
This side.
You're gonna start all over here. No, you gotta start on the wall.
What wall? This wall?
Let's do it. Let's have guns right here.
With a bullet in it?
No bullet in it.
Okay. Let me,
Your gun's be right here.
let me put it in here real quick. Right here.
Good. My gun will be right here. You'll start there. And I'll start all the way over there. You know, you got a shorter distance. Good thing.
Because it
I'm a
got
little
little
bit-
legs.
Okay.
You're turning around.
Alright.
Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I hurt my ankle. I hurt my ankle.
I dodged that one. I got you though.
No, you didn't. It didn't touch me.
Oh, we don't see so.
It didn't
Why are you gonna shoot?
touch me.
Stop cheating. You can't use a pillow. You're using a pillow. Especially.
Got you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ah. 1, 2, 3. This time!
Here's one.
I got you!
You
Yes, I
missed.
did.
You missed.
No, I
I
didn't.
haven't seen a video.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh,
That's two on me.
no.
Call of Duty, dude. Oh, it stopped recording. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Shoot me right there. How about you shoot me? Stop.
Did I get your forehead?
No, that didn't hit me at all, I promise. I promise. Your ass.
thought you were trying to click it before.
What?
We didn't make an ending to our video, and like we're doing this now. Yeah.
We forgot to
It's
end
our
your
plan
video.
B to the situation.
Just kidding.
So when we drop in our next video on the first or a second, either first or a second, right?
Oh, we'll be shooting on one of those days. Ow! And then we'll drop it as soon as we have the chance, I'm guessing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. That is, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Oh, you keep hitting me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.